New tonight, housing, small businesses, and public safety. Those were Grand Rapids Mayor Rosalynn Bliss's main points in her 8th State of the City address tonight. 13 on your side's Andrea Flores joins us now with what the mayor is outlining for the city's growth in 2023.
Juliet, Mayor Bliss says unity between city and community leaders in both the private and public sectors will continue to build Grand Rapids.
We are on an important journey to build a vibrant and welcoming city for all. But we increasingly understand that no one does that work alone.
Mayor Rosalynn Bliss began her State of the City address by emphasizing collaboration throughout the community to move Grand Rapids forward. She thanked Police Chief Eric Winstrom for his service after just over 1 year on the job, and she addressed the approaching 1-year anniversary of Patrick Leoya's death.
A tragedy that has had a profound impact on our community, and one that has amplified our need for meaningful change.
Mayor Bliss highlighted changes and strides in public safety over the last year. 3,000 young adults and their families were helped by a violence prevention initiative, and more than 500 Grand Rapidians' records were expunged. In a new program, mental health professionals have joined police officers on some calls, leading to an average of 85 people per month getting better care than in a jail cell or the emergency room.
We'll build on this effort as a new crisis stabilization unit opens later this year, again in partnership with Network 180 and Trinity Health. This facility will provide additional support for people managing a mental health and substance use crisis.
Mayor Bliss emphasized that the city is committed to addressing the housing crisis. A recent study shows that the city needs to build 14,000 homes by 2027 to meet demand and keep rising prices at bay. Last year, the city fell short of the 2,800 new homes a year goal.
Encouragingly, the city so far this year has already approved more than 400 homes for construction, well ahead of last year's pace.
These homes range from standard options, like the Studio Park high-rise coming to downtown and apartments in the Creston neighborhood, to affordable and low-income housing options funded by millions of city, county, and state dollars.
And we currently have more than 1,000 affordable homes and apartments in the development pipeline.
In terms of growth, Mayor Bliss said Grand Rapids is seeing an explosion of entrepreneurship, with dozens of new businesses opening their doors in the last year. On top of developing the city's parks and riverfront, she said these improvements are key to growing the community.
We have come a long way, and we have built real momentum.
After the address, Mayor Bliss shared with me that she is also excited by collaborations in education to get community college at no cost for some Grand Rapids Public Schools students. Juliet?
Andrea, thank you. Also tonight at the State of the City, Mayor Bliss addressed the delayed Grand River whitewater project. The city has withdrawn its current permit application to remove the dams in the river. It's the first step to resubmit plans to restore the rapids to the Grand River downtown after the latest plan was rejected. The process has been years in the making to create whitewater waves to attract more visitors and recreational opportunities downtown. Mayor Bliss says the project is not over.
Yeah, so the permit process, we have a number of different alternative designs that we're currently looking at. We're working with our technical team at the city and Whitewater and Eagle and EPA and DNR, and we just had another meeting this past week, and we're working together to come up with a modified design. As soon as we have that, we will have that submitted.
The city expects to have new permits approved by the end of the year and work to begin in 2024.